The overall goal of this simple field in situ method is to quantify ammonia emissions from replicate plots in multi-plot field trials, facilitating statistical testing and identification of treatment effects.
This method can help to answer key questions in the agronomic and agroecological field, such as ammonia emission quantification and abatement, determination of fertilizer use efficiency, and environmental assessment. The main advantage of this method is that it allows in situ quantification of ammonia emissions in multi-plot field trials independent of electrical power supply. I will be demonstrating this procedure with Christian Wagner, a master's student from my laboratory.
Use comparatively large plots, as compared to the sizes usually applied in replicated field trials, to avoid effects of uneven fertilizer distribution on ammonia emissions. Use square plot shapes to avoid effects of shifting wind directions on ammonia uptake by the samplers. Reduce drift of ammonia from one plot to the other by keeping a buffer area of one plot size between plots. Select 2 treatment plots and 1 control plot for simultaneous measurement with the dynamic tube method, or DTM, and passive sampler. Choose treatment plots with putatively high emissions, giving a strong measurement signal. Following preparations as detailed in the text protocol, control measurement is made with the DTM on unfertilized control plots at the beginning and the end of